activated by the signal and warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between
You issue
11
a
a.m.
required
and noon
weekly
each
test
Wednesday.
on a day when there's a
If
slight
there is a threat of
convective,
severe weather, the test
and your
will be
hazardous weather
postponed
outlook
to the
literally
next
mentions a
available
tornado
weekday.
possible.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties reached by this weather radio station: Boone, Cattle, Clay, Fayette, Jackson, Kanawha, Lincoln, Mason, Nicholas, Putnam, Raleigh.
They
Rome.
changed the phoneme for Mason.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: West Virginia, Northwest Fayette, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Raleigh, Southeast Fayette, Southeast Nicholas, and Southeast Raleigh. Issued at 8:57 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Today and tonight. The risk of severe thunderstorms will be placed across the area this afternoon and evening. Delayed growth of damaging wind gusts, large hail, and locally heavy downpours. The area is under a
Yeah, the rest of the areas are under a slight. And it mentions an isolated tornado is also possible.